Last night me and Jay was trying to plan for Thailand and see the rest of Laos. We had a quick change of plan. So what we was gonna do is either extend our stay here for a couple of days and then or go check out tomorrow and then we'll catch a bus to Bang Grand where there's a the tubing, famous for the tubing, as well as the Blue Lagoon. But we decided we're not gonna do that. It's mainly for two reasons. One, the road takes, so the buses, you get the local bus and the VIP buses. The only difference between the two is the VIP is the aircon and they make a few stops. And the buses will take, let's say it'll take 6 hours, but it can easily take 7-8 hours. It's a very, very bumpy road, especially really scenic. It's very dangerous road, lots of bumps and yeah, a lot of accidents happen. And it's pretty much the same road we came up here. So we was like, okay, well if we do that, we'll catch the day buses, but wasn't really keen on those kind of journeys. So then there was another option where there's a 3 or 4 hours journey, where you can pretty much hire your own taxi or private car, and it's pretty expensive. So that wasn't really an option for us. Plus, like the new road, only last month there's been an attack on one of these buses that are going to Vancouver, and basically a couple of tourists got killed, and SCO has advised pretty much all tourists to avoid that route, and that only happened last month. So we was like, no, because if something was to happen to us during that road to Vancouver, like insurance would not cover us at all. So we was like, okay, is it really worth the hassle and the problem to get to there? So it was like, okay, we'll just avoid it completely, even though it's pretty disappointing, but it's better to be safe than sorry, I guess. Tomorrow we have booked a flight back from Prabang to Bangkok, and we're going to spend 6 days roughly in Bangkok, and then we're going to head down south. But anyway, we're on the Songtao to the waterfall. So we got this one for 150,000 for just 2 of us. You can get it cheaper if you're in a bigger group. Yeah, it takes about an hour there. Hopefully it'll be pretty good. Electric wires around it, look. Don't feed the bears. There's one over there. Just chilling.
Can't say. Just sit on the road.
I think it's scratching itself. Is there? I'm sure there's more.
Maybe one shilling.
Yeah, it's got like. Yeah, it's got like a white thing. Yeah. By it's like Batman, isn't it? Mystery. So apparently these bears have been rescued from poaching, which is good. But I don't know if they're in any good conditions now, because they're in a pretty small confined space with electric barbed wires all across. It's debatable. I guess you can either get killed or you can either just be caged up for all your life. It's 20,000 each to get into the waterfall, and there's many stages up the waterfall, and then hopefully the water is nice and blue. During the rainy season the waters can be really murky and horrible, so we'll see. We arrived here pretty early, so hopefully there's not a lot of tourists. Oh my god.
It literally looks like it's that lit.
Yeah.
Apparently it's a limestone that makes it blue. A bit of stone.
Yeah. It looks so good. Whoa. It looks so beautiful. How come there's not a lot of people swimming? apparently there's these little fishes, and when you swim in the waterfall, they're not shy to come around on your feet and nibble on your feet. So I don't know if those are the fishes you'll get in the fish spa, but today we've got our ugly shoes. Well, I've got my ugly shoes on to climb and stuff, so we'll see. We're gonna keep going up and check out the different level of the waterfall, and then we're gonna pick the best one to swim in. What did you say the color is the same as Philippines? Yeah. Yeah. Whoa, that's it. That's the money shot. Whoa, that's crazy. That is a money shot right there. Huh? Yeah. Maybe. I just saw something pop out of the waters. It might be a fish.
Calm waters come as fast as they go. You and I just want things to feel the same, but they won't.
So me and Jay have been studying for like 15 minutes, really debating to go in or not, because there's lots of fishes that really bite you. Jay just got bit, and it feels like a little pinch. The waterfall was so fun. We managed to get our courage and swim in the waters. I got bit once and it was like a little tap, and then we saw a couple of kids jumping off the little tree, and we was like, okay, I'm gonna go for it. And then I just jumped and I jumped some more, so I probably jumped 2 times. It's pretty good. It was really good fun though. That's trying to out Thailand. So we booked this place, like a condo in Bangkok. Had a pool, gym, nice big space. Immediately after we booked it, the host, because we booked it through Airbnb, he said like the date's not available. And we were just like, what the hell if it's not available? Like why, you know, why is this still on Airbnb considering it's for tomorrow? We was like, okay, then we'll get the refund of the money. And we asked him twice and he didn't reply to us. So we waited like an hour or so. He was like, you know what, we gotta get a place tomorrow and we already wasted money on this. You know, so we just contacted Airbnb and they sorted it out for us. We got the refund, and plus they gave us how much? Was it 50 US? So they gave us 50 US for our trouble. So that will come in handy when we're going down south on the islands. But yeah, the contact support on Airbnb, can't fault them, pretty good. We are going to the same restaurant we've been eating. I think this is the only restaurant we've been to be honest, in Luang Prabang. Bamboo restaurant. It's like 15,000 for most meals, and it's so good. And it's all local food, and they're pretty nice there as well. pretty quick. And then tomorrow afternoon, we're flying from here to Dai Muang.